guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how I make my vaginal wash. That we're going to be doing formalities, our normal formality. If you are in the Jenny Rush family, how are you doing? Do you even care about how I'm doing? Okay, well, I know you care, but you don't shout at, and I don't feel you care. But I'm okay. I know you're okay too. About how I make, or I'm going to be showing you how I make my vaginal wash 1 and 2. I'm going to show you some other things that I use, and that keeps my vagina clean and it keeps my vagina healthy. And I decided to share some extra tips on what I use. The thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is cloves. Just go to a local market and tell the person you're looking for cloves and they can give it to you. So it's strong, it has some antioxidants in it. So clove has a lot of benefits, health benefits, and that is really impressive. One of the compounds that it contains is eugenol, and that fights a lot of infections. It helps you fight candida. So if you're known, or if you have yeast infection, I believe this is one natural way for you to treat it. So when I show you how to make it, you can make it for yourself and you use it to treat your yeast infection. You use it to keep your vagina clean and odor free. So let's go into the making.
Okay, so this is my clove and I'm putting it in a plate because I actually want to rinse it. It was out in the open and you do not need all the dust getting into your wash. So this is what clove looks like, so you do not go and get something else that isn't cloves. So while I'm rinsing it, I'm also going to allow it to sit for about 30 seconds before I transfer it into my bottle. And for most of you, you may actually decide to keep it for longer. I do not know, but I just think you should keep it for 30 seconds. And then I'm using a small bottle for this video purposes because I usually use bigger bottles, but for this video I'm going to be using this small bottle, and I'm working with a water measurement of 90 cl, and you can actually use much more depending on how much or how plenty your cloves is. And this is what it looks like. So you're going to keep it like this overnight to 3 days, and it's actually going to get another color. So this is how I make my vaginal wash using cloves.
Okay, so this is how it looks like, and if you're just using it for start, and if you want to use it to treat most especially yeast infection, you could use it like 3 times in a week or 4 times to wash. I use mine while in the shower, and when I'm rinsing my whole body out, I just rinse the whole thing out that way. It stays long. It could stay long. I've kept mine for some days now, and this is the color you get, this dark coffee color, and you get a little pepperish feeling when you use it, but you will be relieved after some time. So you can use it for 5 minutes. You can pour it and then you use it and you sit for 5 minutes, then you rinse it off. And that is how you will use this to treat infection. You use it to stop vaginal odor and other things that you can actually do with it. So later on, as much as you use it and as much as you're seeing the results you're getting, you can actually reduce it to using once or twice in a week, and that would be better for you because it is actually going to work. It works. The honey is one of the things that you can use to actually soothe itching. If you are having itchiness itchiness, and the doctor gives you drugs, or your gyno gives you drugs, and you come back, the drugs might not begin to react immediately. They might not start working. So while you're still itching, you can actually rub honey around your vagina. You can rub it around the vulva area, everything, and you just sit calm, and it will actually soothe you. It will soothe you, and it will give you that calm feeling until the drug starts to do its work in your body. So you can actually use honey. Honey is, to me, I call honey the golden syrup. That's what I call it, because it is actually golden. You use it for so many other things, and it is antibacterial too, and it is anti-inflammatory. But there are other things that you can use, like garlic. You can actually grate garlic. If you're not blending the garlic or grating it, you can actually chop the garlic into little pieces, and you put it in a pot and you boil it. You boil it with water, and when it's done, for about 20 minutes you just boil it, and then you remove it. And when you're done, you sieve the shaft out, and you use the garlic water to wash yourself. It is not so tender, it is going to be pepperish too, but it will work. It treats and it fights those infections that you will have, or you might have, or you are having, and then it will keep your vagina clean. So please endeavor to stay healthy. Do not share people's toilets. So if you like this video, you share, you comment. If you have questions to ask me, you put it down in the comment section below, and I will talk about it, or I will respond to it. Follow me on my IG at the Jenny Rush, and you can turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.